Hello friends, welcome back. I'm Himanshu, and in this video we are going to understand that how we can customize few options of chart. It has got its limitation that you have understood in the previous two videos, but we can customize few parts of it. So how to go about that? Look, the problem is whenever I am doing a selection including the title, it's not considering the title. Moreover, there are a few more problems. Let me go to insert. This kind of chart I have selected, 2D dimension chart. There are few problems which we have got the solution in the previous two videos, but this legend name like sales report, sales Noida, you can see sales report, sales and Noida, so it's picking it up from there, and unnecessary things it's picking. So how to deal about that? Now for that, select the chart, and after that you need to go to this option of select data, which is under the tab of design. So click on select data. Okay, once you have done the selection, okay, fine. Once you have done the selection, look what is happening. Actually the data source is this complete data which has been selected at once. Now these are the series entry, means the things which are there in the legend. So you may click over here, and if you don't want sales report, sales Noida complete, you just want Noida to be there, so select this, go to edit, and there you may see that as a title it has been selected, the complete one. So just do a single cell selection which you want to give as a title, click OK, and there you will see it has been converted to Noida. Same is the case with Delhi. Go to edit. Now if you don't want to give it Delhi, either you moreover you want to give a completely another name which is not there in this data, so you can write it by yourself. You have that choice also, New Delhi. Okay, so you can see the changes. Again I am doing the selection here, going to edit and making the selection. Either you can write it by yourself, or otherwise do the cell selection which you want to give as a title, and will come up here. So it's looking good. Moreover, these are in the horizontal series, means the product list. If you don't want this product list, here you can see. So if you don't want this product list, you can do the edit in this as well. Click on edit here, and you can write it by yourself, like A, B, C, D. I'm just writing anything in order to make you understand. Click on OK. You can see the changes over here. That is how you can make changes. Moreover, another important aspect, if you are going to display only Noida and cost, you don't want to display Delhi in chart, so while doing the selection and creating a chart, it's not possible, but here it's possible. Go to New Delhi, and if you don't want this series, click on remove. You can see in the chart it has been removed, so there is no Delhi figure, it's just Noida and cost. Click on OK, so the changes will apply over here. So this is how you can do few customization and few changes according to your requirement. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.